Welcome back to my channel. This is Orange Speed Productions and today I'm going to show you the Nokia X3-00 mobile phone. It was originally released back in late 2009 as a fairly entry-level, music-focused feature phone with features such as dedicated music keys, stereo speakers, as well as FM radio that does not require headphones to be plugged in. On the front of the Nokia X3, we see the earpiece, the Nokia logo, the 2.2-inch 262,000 colors quarter VGA display, the dedicated music keys, of which we have the previous, play, pause, and the forward. The keypad on the bottom seems to be made out of some sort of metal as far as I can tell, whereas the keys on the top part of the phone seem to be made out of some glossy plastic. On the bottom, we have one of the Nokia X3's two stereo speakers, the other one is located on the top. It's accompanied by the 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB port for data syncing as well as charging, as well as Nokia's proprietary 2.5mm charging port. On the left side, we have the micro SD card slot. This phone was shipped with a 2GB micro SD card out of the box, but it can be expanded all the way up to 32GB. On the right, we have the volume keys as well as the single press shutter key. On the back, we have a 3.2 megapixel camera that can only do quarter VGA videos and has no autofocus whatsoever. Removing this plastic back, we gain access to its BL-4CT battery, which is rated at 860 mAh, as well as the mini SIM card slot. Now that we are done with the hardware tour of the phone, we will turn it on now. By the way, this phone runs Nokia's Series 40 user interface for feature phones on its 6th edition. Okay, let's hear the ringtones first. Okay, next let's take a look at the themes of the phone as well as the wallpapers. Okay, so let's take a look at the camera next. As I mentioned before, it's quite basic. It's fixed focus and only does 3.2 megapixel stills and quarter VGA at 50 frames per second. Quite very basic interface, self-timer effects, white balance, portrait format, and nothing much else to show here. So let's take a look at a few camera samples and video samples that I took on the Nokia X3 for your reference.
The authorities in Myanmar say they seized $29 million worth of methamphetamine in a police operation that extended across several states. It's Myanmar's largest drug haul this year. State media said the network was discovered.
Pretty good FM radio reception for a phone that doesn't need headphones for antenna, I suppose. Next, let's take a look at the games. We also have the OV store, but I don't think it works already because OV store was shut down quite some time ago. Converter. Pretty self-explanatory. Flickr, Messenger, my Nokia, Opera Mini, OV contacts, share on OV, size converter, which also includes something interesting called garment history. Worth a read if you have some time to kill, I suppose. Web search, world clock. Now let's take a look at the games. So this marks the conclusion of the tour of the Nokia X3-00 mobile phone. Personally, I think that this phone has achieved what it was meant to do as its selling point, mainly as an MP3 player, especially with the stereo speakers as well as wireless FM without the need of headphones to be plugged in. If you do enjoy my videos, do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video.